Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some advanced verbs to give your English some style. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To wander. Matthew and Olivia are planning a day trip. They're deciding where to go. Olivia, have you decided which places we should visit today? There are so many beautiful areas around. Well, Matthew, I've been thinking. There are beautiful parks, lakes, and woods all around us. We could visit one of them, or... Or what? We could take a day off from schedules and plans and maybe just wander around and see what we stumble upon. That sounds incredibly refreshing, Olivia. Let's do it. It's the best way to live. Quiz time. What does to wander mean? To run quickly? To follow a path? To stay in one place? To walk without direction? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to walk without direction. Verb details. We often wander in a park, wander in a city, wander in a forest, wander around. To wander means to walk or move in a leisurely, casual, or aimless way, often without a specific direction or purpose. We often wander around an area, possibly pondering life or something else. When was the last time you wandered? Where did you go? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. Matthew and Olivia chose to wander around the countryside. On my day off, I like to wander around the city. She loves to wander in the forest near her house. Not all those who wander are lost. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. I've been thinking. I am considering. Woods. Similar to a forest. Stumble upon. To find something accidentally. Aimless. Without direction. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.